I've updated my Kohakatu recipe. And now I'll share agate crystal slices in this video. And of course, if you are looking for the more traditional geode-like crystals, I have a different video for that. But stay for this recipe. If you're new, my passion is helping you make sweet treats. Because adults need cute things too. Hello you, it's me, Rox of Rockstar Bakes. I'm way into edible jelly crystals and I've made so many. I have learned a few things. I feel great saying this crystal recipe is foolproof and it's without isomalt. Let's get into it. Here's the agar-agar that I recommend. Hello. It's the only one that for sure always works for me. Other ones are cloudy and don't always result in edible jelly crystals, just mush. I use 1.5 cups of flat or fizzy water that is sweetener free. This is about 1 classic can of soda. I like going with the flavored water because it gives the agate crystals a nice scent and flavor. Beverages with different types of sweeteners can affect the firmness of the candy. Add agar-agar and about 6 tablespoons of liquid from that 1.5 cups of water and stir. Let this sit for about 10 minutes. Boil that remaining water. Then I cooked that soaked agar on medium. Constantly stir for at least 5 minutes. When you start to see the bubbles, it's time for the sugar. Stir constantly. Don't stop stirring or it burns on the bottom. Now for the crystals. It's super important to work so fast. It's hard to be fast during filming. I split the Kohakatu across 4 containers that already have the colors I'm going to mix in. The first one has a little edible glitter and a little metallic pink edible art food paint. The second is edible art metallic pink paint. The third is a couple drops of bright white and pale peony color. This is so it's not too bright. This one is clear. I keep the greatest quantity of this one. Instead of buying a mold, I decide to make homemade molds out of foil. I cut out parchment paper into organic crystal shapes. I take a piece of foil and fold it into 3 parts. Cut into sort of an oval piece. By the way, I made these guys the night before. I add the parchment so it's easier to move around when decorating. It stays sticky on bottom. Fold over the edges, but don't make these too short. It's okay if there are edges and ridges, you'll see why in a bit. They're like mini bowls. Then pour these from the center out, work fast. Here's the clear portion, the white blush mixture, and glitter mixture. Add a little luster directly to the center. Then add a little sparkling sugar in the middle while the mixture is still wet. This will give it texture. You can start to see that these firm quickly as they cool. Place these in the fridge to firm for ½ an hour. Fun fact, Kohakatu translates to amber sugar. These are perfect for an awesome birthday or wedding gift. They're also cool because they're vegan friendly. After that time, they're ready to pull out and peel away the foil. Here's a demonstration of just the luster dust versus edible gold foil and luster dust. I use a brush for both of these. I think edible gold foil plus luster dust creates more dimension. Here's a demonstration using no brush. I try to work from the top of the gold leaf and work my way down. The edible agate is pretty sticky. I still go in and fill in the nooks with luster dust. I like how transparent these remain. To get a crispy outside and jelly inside, it'll need some time to sit out and dry. In my climate, the Pacific Northwest, that's about 2 days. Hope you like my idea on how to make edible jelly Kohakatu. Ta-da! OMG! These look like coasters, but I don't recommend that. Cute, right? Edible jelly crystal success! Because these are thin, they dry a lot quicker, so they're great eaten within the first few days of drying. Something that I always loved about these Asian treats growing up is that they're mild, sweet, crunchy on the outside and soft jelly on the inside. In Thailand, these desserts are known as Kanapun Grab. Are there any colors you'd like to see? Should I make marble style agate? Let me know in the comments below. Should I make more rainbow crystals? Hit that bell notification to get the latest videos. Coming up is a crystal playlist with some crystal stuff in it. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Bye. And see you next week. Krop, krop. Sai krop, sai krop, sai krop.